Now, it's no news that Pi Network will be launching on the 20th of this month. The question now is, should you sell your Pi tokens or not? Now, one thing I think about this is that I feel like Pi might not launch at a very reasonable price that we are all expecting it to launch. That's what I feel. But then I think you should not be so quick to selling your Pi Network coins. You should give it time to mature and grow before you sell. And we all have to be very, very careful because a lot of platforms are just bringing different updates. You should be very careful of where you link your Pi coins because there are a lot of people that are after your Pi tokens. You should be very careful. You shouldn't just reveal your key phrase to anyone. You shouldn't just connect your wallet to any platform that you see around. Make sure you are very, very careful. You shouldn't be so eager to sell your Pi Network. After all, you've been mining this thing for more than 5 years. So why the rush? Why would you hurry to want to sell? Just try and just chill, relax, and see what plays out after the 20th of this month. That's my personal advice. I don't advise you to sell your Pi Network tokens just yet. All you have to do is to just watch everything play out, stick around for updates, for news like this one that you're getting. Make sure that you are positioned. Keep your Pi Network coins carefully. Your 12 key phrase, keep them in a very safe place. Make sure you do not connect your wallet unnecessarily. If reputable exchanges like Binance, ByBit, OKX, BitGet are not willing to list Pi, I would advise you to wait until the Pi core team will be able to convince those giant exchanges to list them. So that's the best time to be able to exchange your Pi Network coins for USDT. But as for now, I would advise you that after the 20th of this month, you should wait. Be very, very, very careful. Be very patient and watch out carefully so you don't get scammed of all your years of hard work. So you don't get scammed of the reward you got from all your years of hard work, of all your years of clicking every 24 hours. So guys, you need to be very, very, very careful. That's one advice that I brought here to give you guys. You should be very, very careful of the wallet you connect your Pi Network to. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.